So when you receive your hearing aids, it does come with quite a few items in your kit. We do have a real nice case here to go ahead and store everything. We're not using it actually. And then we have silicone tips. We've got multiple sizes, really just depend on the size of your ear. All you're gonna do is just pull this tip off and replace these. And then this is how we're gonna charge this. This does not need a battery. They're actually rechargeable and built in. So you're just gonna plug that in here. You can use a combination of these two to go ahead and get it charged up. And it takes right around 1 to 2 hours to charge it. And we also have a charging cord here and then a little cleaning brush. Of course, we've got left and right on the back side of these, so you don't mess them up. You'll know R is for right, and then we've got L is for left, of course. These are our controls. Now it does say off and on printed right there. So right now it's off. You slide that forward, it's on. And then here is our volume control. Now this does amplify up to 30 times. I was wearing them yesterday in my house, and honestly, I could hear the cars outside my house. Normally I wouldn't hear that, but I could both hear them outside. I kept looking around going, where are these cars coming from? I mean, it works really well. Let me go ahead and show you just how I put them on. So this is for my left ear. All you're gonna do is hang it just like that. Then you're gonna take the end of that and just slide it into your ear. And of course we've got our controls right through here, so they're really easy to move around. I just turn it on and then adjust the volume up until a volume is more comfortable for me. And of course, since you can adjust these separately, because you could have one ear that maybe is a little worse than the other or better. And so that way you can adjust these individually, but they work great. They amplify it really well, and they're super easy to charge up, and they're just really small.